The top sell is $1,005. So that means this Eric Bledsoe card could be $1,000 alone. What's up, Bullish Gang? Today we're going to continue the NFT saga. Alright, so if you haven't seen my first video on Bullish about NFTs, this is basically what they are. AKA, you can be like Logan Paul now and sell a card that doesn't even fucking exist. Now, if you want like the definition, it's basically like intangible and tangible things that you can own, such as like digital sneakers, virtual real estate, cards. And speaking of cards, today we're going to continue a video over NBA Top Shot. Today I'm going to be doing a live unboxing of some cards on NBA Top Shot. And this is a huge deal because who knows what I could draw here, okay? And let me just break that down briefly for you all. I have a video over NBA Top Shot here on the channel, but it's just basically a website where you can own moments from NBA players, from amazing things that they've done in history. And you can be the only person to own this moment, all right? So let's say you're unboxing a card on NBA Top Shot. The better player that you pull, the more your card or moment is going to be worth. And if the player's okay or if they're poo-poo, then guess what? You can sell that card for poo-poo, basically. So, you don't know what you're going to draw. That's the thrill of it. That's the excitement of it. And today, I'm going to be unboxing a pack, and I'm super excited about it. And yeah, let's just hope I pull something great. But one thing's for sure, this episode is going to be full of drama, emotions. It's going to be a roller coaster. So let's get into it. But before we do, get comfortable because it's about to go down. Much better. Bullish Gang, what is up? Right now, I am about to open the pack. Here we go. It's a live opening. It is your turn. You're almost there. You will be redirected to the website as soon as possible. Why is my heart racing right now? This is crazy. To all my people, like from the intro, like you heard the intro, you now know what NFTs are. If you don't know already, and you know what NBA Top Shot is already. So here we go. This pack is $9, which is not bad. Only 1,505 are left, and I'm about to open 3 live right now, as y'all can see. These tabs here. Go, trying to snag a reservation. Y'all better snag me a reservation, man. I've been waiting in line. It's about to be some real money drama happening right now. All right, already got my credit card info in there. I'm gonna blur that out because, you know, don't trust you little hackers out there. But here we go, confirm purchase for the base set, Series 2, Release 23, 1. All right, confirm purchase. My payment is being processed. I hope I have $9.78 in my bank. All right, your pack is reserved and headed your way. Here we go. All right, about to open my pack. All right, here we go. Ah! All right, here we go. We got 3 cards. It's always 3 cards, as y'all can tell. Every time you open a pack on NBA Top Shot, it will always be 3 cards that you get to open. So this is exciting. My camera's about to die, by the way, but hopefully, you know, it just makes it through the opening. All right, so click to reveal. First pack, I got a block from, it's a block from Eric Bledsoe. Okay. It's a pretty cool moment right there. Look at that. Bow! It's pretty good. Eric Bledsoe is pretty legit. The serial number is 11,151 out of 15,000. Okay, I'll take it. And the New Orleans Pelicans got the W, so that's pretty cool. I don't know how much that one would be worth, but we're gonna check that out after. All right, second card. Here we go. Ooh, it's a layup from the Lakers. It's Dennis Schroeder.
Honey, that's good.
Wow, Dennis Schroeder. By the way, my wife is German, if y'all didn't know. So this is good because Dennis Schroeder is also German. I like Dennis Schroeder, and the Los Angeles Lakers are my favorite NBA team. So I'm super glad I got you know, a Lakers moment. I want one from LeBron, but I'll take Dennis Schroeder. It's nice for my collection. All right, the final card. Here we go. I hope this one is from like a star or I don't know, just like an up-and-coming rookie, an up-and-coming star. All right, here we go. All right, it's from OKC. It's a jump shot from Shai Gilgeous. Okay, so Shai Gilgeous, he's on the up-and-coming. So I actually like this card the most. But I'm excited. We're gonna see what he runs for because I've been hearing about him. And yeah, he had 24 points, 9 assists, and 7 rebounds in that game. All right, so let's check it out. This is my pack. All right, here we go. All right, so let's see what notable pull. Because I have a low serial on that. That's nice. That's nice. All right, so we're done here for the pack. So let's see what these are going for. Collection. That's where we need to go. My moments. All right, so as y'all can see, my collection is getting bigger and bigger. I got the Eric Bledsoe now. I got the Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and the Dennis Schroeder. So you know what? Since it said this is the most notable pool, I'm curious about Eric Bledsoe. The top sell is $1,005. So that means this Eric Bledsoe card could be $1,000 alone, right? And as I told you in the last episode, the more Eric Bledsoe develops and the better that he becomes, the more that you can absolutely get from this card. So this is huge. Look at this. The jersey number, the person that pulled a jersey number that is, you know, the same serial number is $5,555. That's insane. And look at that. The numbers kind of fluctuate, but I'm definitely in there. It is a very good card to own from what I can see. And again, my serial is actually, 11,151, but it's limited edition. The count is final. Only 15,000 people will have this card when it's said and done for Eric Bledsoe. So that is exciting. A card that could be worth, $1,000. And then we got the Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. See what his is running for? Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Lowest ask is $45. And the top sell is $3,000. Like I said, he's up and coming. So this is a great shot too, with only seconds to play left in regulation. So that's like a dagger. So that's a really crucial moment because that was the end to the game. He basically sealed that game. So that's pretty crazy. So let's see if we scroll all the way down here. Look at how much this card can still go for. $5,000. Wow. Lowest ask is $45. So that is still, that's a nice card to own because Shai Gilgeous, as I said, is on the up and coming, y'all. And then let's look at this Dennis Schroeder. Lowest ask is $33. Top sell is $4,000. That's the top sell. $4,000. And my serial on the Dennis Schroeder was $12,000. So let's just look in that range of $12,000. This is crazy. $12,000, $9,999. And it's the same thing. The more Dennis Schroeder develops, the more the card will be worth. Plus, all of these cards are limited edition. So once they're gone, they're gone. So definitely, I'm happy with this pull that I got. Can't believe that I have a card here for the Eric Bledsoe that is like worth $1,000 within this serial number. So that's insane. So yeah, that was the grand opening of this NFT NBA Top Shot pack. If you have any questions about NFTs or the NBA Top Shot, please leave it in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed like me unboxing my pack. And if you want to see more of these, be sure to let me know about that in the comments down below. And subscribe to Bullish for more content like this. And I'll see y'all in the next money drop.